Alright y'all, so welcome to another video. In this video we're actually going to upload our home. So here we are at the Tsaishen page. One of the things that you will notice is that there is the blockchain connect and the account being used. So you will need to use this foxy little guy, also known as MetaMask, and we'll have another video of how you can actually get that. So stay tuned for that. But if you already have a MetaMask, it will automatically log you in. You will see the account that you are using and you'll be able to upload your house. So we're going to click on the upload, and right over here we're going to fill out information about our property. So let's play pretend that it truly is 123 Main Street. 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. It was built in 2005, 1,500 square feet. Make sure you specify what size you're working with. Let's say that this one is actually 1.35 acres. Okay, and APN or the PIN is also the parcel number. You will find that on your actual property paperwork, so whether your deed or your purchase, so you'll be able to know that. A lot of time your tax forms will also have the parcel number. So for this one we're just going to make up a number because it's a made-up house right now. You're going to put in a county where the property is located. So let's say the name of the county is King County, and then you're going to put a current market value. Now the current market value, you can look it up on the Zillow of what that is to be able to understand of what that current market value. For the sake of our example, we're going to say that it's $125,500. Is it an income producing property or not? Now obviously if you live in the property, is not going to be an income producing property, but if it's a rental, then you would click yes, and in that instance you will say what the current income is per month. So let's play pretend that it's a $1,200 a month current income for this particular property. You then specify, is it a single family, multifamily, piece of land, is it a condo? So let's play pretend that this is a condo, right? And right over here is where you can actually put a public domain URL of your property site, like Zillow or Realtor or something like that. And the reason we want to put this in is for our buyer. Eventually you will sell this property, right? Or maybe you will look for investors to come along with this property if you're a property investor, right? So you want to showcase that, hey, this actually thing exists and they can compare things. So for example, we can go to Zillow, right? We can go to Zillow, and right over here, apartments coming up first. Let's say that we're looking for that 123 Main Street, Portland, Oregon, and true enough, there is a house. Now of course we're going to be using this particular Zillow right over here. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna go back to Tsaishen Crypto, and we're gonna paste it right over here. So I will show you how that all looks like. Now one of the other things, especially if you are thinking about selling your property, you can actually have a video tour of your place. So here is where you can actually share your YouTube or Vimeo or some other video hosting service link. So we can play pretend HTTPS, right? And you're going to do the same thing, right? You're going to basically paste some video, and let's say that it's youtube.com, and it's going to give you like links. We're going to do the same thing that we did with the Zillow right over here, and for this purpose we're just going to call it my house 123, right? Like, let's play pretend. Right over here is where you can actually give a brief 1 to 3 sentence description of the place. So you can say newly updated kitchen, beautiful view of the lake, and so on and so on, right? So whatever you want to put in this particular to describe this property to the potential buyers at some point. Now, right over here, you do have to click that you certify that you either own or have authorization from the owner to upload and or list this property. The reason we're doing this is, of course, aside from charging, we want to make sure that people are not just putting random things. Obviously, I am doing random things here for the sake of what we're doing in this particular video, right? For the sake of education. But when you are updating, you want to update the property that you actually own or have authorization by the owner. So you actually have to be the owner of the property you're looking to sell. So that's number one and a key component. Or have authorization. So why would we have the authorization? Well, maybe you decided that you don't want to do this yourself, and maybe you have an agent that is helping you with it, or maybe you are an agent, real estate agent or brokerage firm that decided to utilize Tsaishen to speed up your processes and to really improve on how things are running and working. And so of course you would then have an authorization by the owner to do this. Or perhaps maybe your parents own the property, it's not in your name, but they have given you authorization to sell the property. So you definitely want to click this part. If you don't, you will actually get an error message, and everybody is going to know that it hasn't been certified. So that sends a bit of a red flag to the potential buyer. So you don't want to do that. And of course, you don't want to lie, because this is actually the penalty of perjury if you do this. Once we do this, we're going to upload a file. Let's play pretend that this is you want to pick the best picture that you have of the place. So let's play pretend that this is the one. As you can see, all of these are testing images. This is not real. It's just for the sake of showing you. You're going to click on upload. Okay. Your MetaMask is going to pop up. You will see that it's going to charge you 1 Ether. There's going to be some gas fee. You're going to click on confirm. And it's going to then take you to the portfolio page where you can see all of your assets. And as you can see right now, we have the image that you have uploaded. So you want to make sure that you upload the best representation of your property. You're going to see the description of what we put in. Here is the address, of course, the beds, the bathrooms, when it was built, house size. So it gives you all of the information that you have put in, shows up over here. And this is the part that I said this is important piece, because it does say that whether you have certified or didn't certify. If folks want to watch the video, they will click on it. Obviously, this is a made-up link, so it's not going to work. But if they, and let's kill this for now, if they want to see a public link, they can actually do this. And right now, they can actually see and inspect and get more information about the property that they wouldn't have otherwise received. So this is how you upload the property on Tsaishen Crypto. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.